Hello! So now I will teach you how to solve the second layer. So last time I taught you how to solve the first layer, as you can see here, and now how to make the second layer. So just make So for this step you only need to know two cases, which are called F2R left and F2R right. So F2R left is when you have the edge here, so the color is matching here, and you want to put it here. So this orange will be here and this blue will be here. For this you just have to do U prime, L prime, U, L. So you've bring this corner up to match this. After you just have to do the inverse sexy move on F. So U, F prime, so U, F, U prime, F prime. Now the F to the right. So when you want to put this edge here, so this here and this here. So for this you have to do U, R, U prime, R prime, U, F prime, U, F. That's all. No, you can do it for. So if you want to now you have your second layer completed and you only have 1/3 of the cube left.